Hello. Another quick shot. Let's make a hat. Okay, I go to the Nomad app. This is hat. Um, the post process is off, and I create a new one. Yes. Okay. No, come on. Good. I start with a cylinder. Hut 2. Okay. Cylinder, and I turn the wireframe on, and division okay is okay. The hole, we check the hole on, and this you can check the hole also off. This plane is good enough, okay, but I do the hole and reduce the radius. I validate it and switch to the front view, and orthographic is on. And I take the selection mask and select the upper part of the cylinder. And in the shell mask settings, I change the shell thickness to 0 and extract it. I turn the outline on, that you can see it. The cylinder we don't need anymore. Okay, I go to the top view, and with the gizmo we can change the size. You can do it like you want. Okay. And now we need a mask. I take the mask. We can also select the selection mask and the lasso tool, and we can draw with the lasso here. And now you can use the gizmo and bring the head up. I think I go back and I draw another selection mask. I use only this ring to make the border a little bit more. And now the gizmo. We can invert the mask or not. It's the same result. Okay, that's a hat. Finish. We can clear the mask, and you can do a few things. Okay, at this point we can subdivide the object to make a little bit more detail, or okay. I go to the mask, reduce the size of the brush a little bit, and we can turn the symmetry off. And in a head is such a thing. We can blur this a little bit and bring this down. And clear the mask. That's not perfect in the middle. We can adjust it later, I think. In the top view, we can make also a few things with the mask. What's there on? Okay. In this case, we can turn the symmetry on. We can make this and see what's happening. And we can try to blur it a little bit and look what's happening. And there you can make these effects. You can remesh it, or let's test it, what's happening when we remesh it. That's not good. 40 is too less. 80. Remesh. Let's try 150. Okay, remeshing is at the moment not a good thing, or we go higher. With the selection mask, we can select everything and give it a thickness of 1.15. Okay, extract it, and now the head has a little bit of thickness, and we can delete this one. There are some techniques you can use for this part or something. Now we can use the other brushes and the move or the drag tool to make adjustments to the head and bring some parts a little bit more up, or we can make such things, or give it a little bit of damage, or yes. And now we can use the perspective view, and we can subdivide it again. And when we subdivide it, we can it's a little bit of big brush. Use a smaller size of the brush and brush this ring around the head. And we can also extract it and give it another color. For example, this color. It's a little bit a Gnauchi head, but it's okay. The way is important to get some objects a little bit quicker. And I'm no artist. I'm only trying to figure out how things can be done relatively quick. Okay, have fun with sculpting. I give this now a color. Turn the wireframe off. Yeah, okay. I think it's a nice head. Okay, ciao.